Human lives are at stake, and somebody needs to be held responsible.
The recent tragedy at the Lockport Cave has people asking who's supposed to make sure that attraction is safe. News 4's Tara Lynch heard from a state lawmaker who wants to be sure visitors are protected. Tara.
Well, Kelsey, News 4 Investigates found neither the city nor state oversees the safety of the Lockport Cave boat tours. Now state leaders from both sides of the aisle are trying to change that.
I'm very disappointed that the state now is coming forward to do their due diligence when it should have been done many years ago.
Governor Kathy Hochul and State Senate Minority Leader Rob Ortt are still trying to answer this question. Who should oversee the Lockport Cave boat tours? In a statement, Governor Hochul said she's proposing a law that would put the State Office of Parks and Rec in charge of commercial tourism boats and caves. Senator Ortt agrees.
This will be specifically for man-made, geological, man-made boat attractions and man-made waterways, and it'll fall under the Department of Parks and Recreation.
The loophole was it's private water, and they only monitor boats on public water, but it makes sense to have them be the ones because they inspect boats that hold public, like if it takes on public passengers.
Bob Pecoraro was a passenger on the boat when it capsized just a few weeks ago, sending nearly a dozen people to the hospital and killing Harshad Shah. He says there were no safety precautions in place.
There was no safety briefing. There were no life preservers available, and it could have been a bigger tragedy if we had young children on board that boat.
Last week, News 4 Investigates reported there had never been an inspection at the Lockport Cave Tours, but it was a major concern when it opened in the 1970s. Lockport Mayor Michelle Roman encourages residents and visitors alike to still take advantage of all the attractions Lockport has to offer. Mayor Roman says she was unaware of any safety problems before the June 12th incident and says she didn't know a similar incident happened in 2015 with a group of teens from Our Lady of Victory.
I did it when it first became in '77 with my grandma, and I've never had any issues or heard of anything personally up until this incident.
Right now, a City of Lockport inspection report still hangs on the doors of the Cave Tour building. It will remain closed until those electrical problems are fixed and until Lockport police are done with their investigation. For now in studio, Tara Lynch, News 4.